Oh my God, finally! Yes, I am very, very, very happy. Yes! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Rocktor Page Official is here again for another reaction video and commenting. So for today, we're gonna react to the finale episode 14 of Thai BL series entitled Not Me, together with the two Thai lead actors we have Off and Gun. This is produced by GMM through I1 TFC. And also you can visit the original content. The link is on the description box below. Okay, so I am very, very excited to watch this finale episode 14. Let's find out, sabay-sabay na natin panoorin kung paano nga ba magtatapos ang love story ng dalawang couple. We have Dan, Yok, and of course, Sian and White. And later, I will give my final comment for the episode 14 or the finale episode 14 of Not Me, the series. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and of course, like and share. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so there we go, the finale episode 14 of Not Me, the series. Oh my god. Oh my god, faster! Kamaabutan pa kayo ng mga pulis. Oh my god. Can you please move fast? Oh. Ah. Yeah, always. Oh my god, there we go. Hi! Oh my god, Young is crying. Oh, true. Ano nang mangyayari sa mother niya at alam naman natin kung anong kalagayan ng mother ni Iyok, di ba? She is deep, yeah, hindi makarinig at hindi rin nakakapagsalita. So I hope sana may liligtas sa kanila, and I think ang liligtas din sa kanila si Black kasi nakatakas si Black, di ba? And I hope soon si Dan. But sad to say, where is Dan? Oh, away. So it means hindi siya ang gumawa ng nagpapakidnap kina Sian White Yok Gram. So hindi siya. Hindi yung may-ari ng Tawi. So malamang baka yun yung kaibigan or dating kaibigan ni White and of course ni Black. I forget the character's name. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think this is the chance na makaalis kayo dyan. Kasi hindi makaalis yung ban kasi narangan ng mga nagpo-protesta. See? O ayan. Sa wakas nakuha din sila. Oh, look at her face. Look at her face of Ayok. She is so happy. Oh, he's crying. Mm-hmm. Namo. Mm. Eugene. Mhm. 'Wait, hindi ko until now hindi ko pa nakita si Dan, 'di ba? Since na nag-umpisa itong, finale episode 14, hindi ko pa napanood si Dan. Okay. Wait, so it means walang ka-partner si Black. Yeah, the twin brother of White. Kasi si Eugene is napunta kay Graham. Ang alam naman natin si Eugene ay dating girlfriend ni Black. Kaso nga lang ay nakipaghiwalay si Black kay Eugene. Kaya napunta si Eugene kay Graham. So far, okay na ang White and of course si Yan. And then, ang gusto ko lang din malaman, where is Dan? Para kay Yok naman. Let's live together. So what is this? Drink first before chok-chokan? Then after drink, what next? Chok-chokan? Between Sian and of course White? Well, let's see. Mm-hmm. kay Toad. Yeah, which is the ex-friend, ex-best friend of White and of course Black. So, kininto niya ngayon kay Sian na kapag may mangyari sa kanilang magkambal ay meron ding mangyari doon sa isa. Yeah. Give me a hug. Oh, yeah. The last night, we have cups so far. I don't think we can hide anymore. Mm-hmm. I'm ready to fight, but you have to right by my side. Ay! Hindi ko makita, masyadong madilim. Ay! Hey. Yung hashtag not you, hashtag not for everyone, if I'm not mistaken. Gampa. Wait, where is Dan? I want Dan for you. I want to say Dan. Where are you, Dan? Where is Dan? Mm-hmm. It's black. Mm-hmm. Your life is yours. I can protect you like we're kids anymore. Mm. Just as way to fight and you must accept the consequences. Oh, hindi niya kaya barilin si Todd. And of course, alam naman natin, di ba, na magkababata silang tatlo. We have White, Black, and of course, Todd. Huh? So it means Todd is under on coma? Yeah? Oh my God, patapos na yung Not Me the Series episode 14 pero hindi ko pa nakikita si Todd ha. Where is Todd? I want Todd for... I Todd. Dan, I'm so sorry. No, it's not Todd, it's Dan. I want Dan for you. Where is Dan? Oh, it's you? Yeah? Oh, oh, siya yung nagpinta nito, di ba? Si Yo. Si? Siya yung nag-paint. Siyo. When Jir is done. Mhm. Oh my god! Dan is here! There we go. Dan is here finally. Oh, oh, he's crying. Oh my god, hindi pa sila nagkita. Oh my god. Si Dan ba yung nasa likod ni Iyo? Yeah. See? Oh, I am very happy. Yeah. No, don't be cry. Because Yoki is always love you, Dan. Oh. Oh. I'm just sorry for everything, di ba? Alam naman natin kung ano yung nangyari dun sa previous episode 13. Oh, I... I quit my job. Oh. Oh. What happened? Ganti lang yun ni Yok. Dahil sa ginawa niya, sa ginawa ni Dan. Well, I think. So it's okay right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think. I hope you don't forget your problem. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes. He didn't. Oh, oh my god, finally. Yes, I am very, very, very happy for this two man, Yok and Dan. It's, you know, it's happy ending of Not Me the series finale episode 14. Mm-hmm. Oh! Akala ko halik. Akala ko maghalikan silang dalawa, yun pala hindi. Uh-huh. Kiss it. Kiss. 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 Wanna race? Mm-hmm. Oh, I think this is the finale of Not Me the series, episode 14. Yeah. So, oh, oh, oh my god. It's a happy ending. Yeah, it's a happy ending. Yon. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, I miss the series. Mm-hmm. I want this button. Give me your hand. Ah, oh, our promise has been fulfilled. Ah. Yes. I am very, very, very happy. I am very satisfied for this finale episode 14 of Not Me the series. Wow. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Look at the kissing scene of Up and Gun. It's super hot. So ayun nga guys, na napanood natin ang finale episode 14 ng Not Me the series together with the two lead Thai actors. We have Off and Kan. And now magbigay tayo ng konting komento ukol sa ating napanood for this finale. So satisfied naman ako guys sa ending ng Not Me the series, and happy ending naman, kitang-kita nyo naman, di ba? And of course, bukod kina Sian and White, nakita din natin kanina yung love story na isa din sa inaabangan ko dito sa Not Me the series. Walang iba kundi ang Yok Dan or Dan Yok. So, ayan. So, I am very, 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 very satisfied itong finale episode. But sad to say kasi it's the ending. So, next week, wala na pa tayong mapapanood na Not Me. And of course, I am very excited kasi I think yung kapalit nitong Not Me the series ay of course yung series naman ng Earth Mixed. I forgot the exact title of those series pero Earth Mixed po ang papalit dito sa na naiiwang time slot ng Not Me the series, and I hope sana ipapalabas din sa I Want TFC. Okay, so yun, so of course mapapanood pa rin natin si Dan, pero hindi na si Dan yung kanyang character's name kundi si Saifa doon sa Enchanted the series, di ba? So, yun, nakaka-excite. At least, di ba, binigyan tayo ng magandang story ng Not Me the series. And of course, na-fulfilled naman nila yung expectation ng mga fans kung ano ba yung tawag nito, ano ba yung pagtatapos ng Not Me the series. So, I am very happy for this series, including, of course, kina Off and Gun, and then kina Yok, and Dan, and of course the other characters of this series na Not Me the series. Okay, so far I think that's all for our reaction video for this finale episode 14 of Not Me the series, and I hope na nagustuhan nyo to guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, click na rin pang notification bell para updated kayo always sa mga susunod kong gagawin reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. God bless everyone, keep safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.